Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello. So today I am bringing you the first video of 17 videos. If you haven't seen my last video, I did announce that I will be making 17 videos back to back. Yes, you heard right, 17 videos. And I'm calling my challenge 17 Days of Luck. So like I said, this is my first video, and of course has to be green. All my sets will be green, and that's pretty much it. So right here I am just starting off with some prepped nails. I am using the Not Polish C-Curve nail tips, and I did use some base coat because I am working with Polygel today. I haven't worked with Polygel in almost a year now. I switched to acrylic, but after working with Polygel, I miss it, and I think I'm gonna go back with it. I'm not sure, maybe here and there I'll do some sets like that. Let me know if you want to see more Polygel videos. So I am using a Saviland bright green, I believe that was the name of the color, and I am also using another brand called Francesca, and it's from AliExpress. I love that Polygel. It was super cheap, and I would wear it all the time because the nude, I mean, look at it, it's so beautiful. It's the perfect peachy nude color. So I do recommend to hop on AliExpress and check out some polygels from this brand. I highly recommend them. So for this set, I am going to be doing a French tip set. As you can see here, I am that nail bed to create the smile line. I am using alcohol as the slip solution. I believe it works so much better than the little slip solution that comes with the Polygel kits. So if you are having trouble with Polygel getting stuck on your brush, I do highly recommend to use alcohol, and make sure it's not too wet or too dry. If it's too dry, then it will get stuck on your brush, and if it's too wet, the polygel will start to separate. So I do recommend to just get a nice consistency on the wetness of your brush, and you should be good to go. And I'm just cleaning around the area, the cuticle area, very well. You want a nice clean area, no matter if you're working with polygel or acrylic. And right now I am just using alcohol again to take off that tacky layer that Polygel has, and I'm going to go in with my 80 grit file to just perfect the smile line. So I am going to be repeating this step throughout all my fingers, and after I have that done and everything is clean and wiped down from the dust, I will be going in with the green polygel to start putting color on the tip. And I absolutely love this color. I wish I would have done this set on myself, but I will soon be doing my nails with some green in it. But so far I am loving this set. So now I am back with some cured polygel, and I am going to be filing and perfecting the shape. Once again, I'm going in with that alcohol to wipe off that tacky layer. If you don't wipe off the tacky layer, then your file will get messed up. Even if you're using a e-file or a hand file, if you're using a hand file, it will start to get sticky and the grit will kind of just fade away. So I am going to be adding some water decals. As you can see here, I did take off the little plastic cover it has, and I just dropped it in water. 3 seconds should be good to go. And I am applying 2 butterflies on this nail, and then I'm applying 1 butterfly on another nail, and I'm just going with the matte top coat from Not Polish, of course, my favorite nail polish. That's matte. It's so beautiful and I love it. It lasts a long time without chipping. And I'm just gonna do that, and that completes the set for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, like I said, go check out my last videos. I did recreate a Victoria's Secret set, so check that out, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my next video tomorrow. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.